little artists! I'm your friendly art guide, and today we have a delightful project in store. We'll be drawing and coloring a fabulous handbag together. Are you excited? Let's dive right in. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your trusty black marker. Now, let's draw the main part of our handbag. Imagine a rectangle with slightly rounded corners. This will be where you keep all your magical treasures. Let's add a big heart shape right on top of our bag. It's like a secret pocket for extra love. Time to create the handle.
Awesome!
Imagine a chain made of pearls or beads. Draw a curvy line with small circles. Voila! Our handbag is taking shape.
Cool!
To make our drawing stand out, let's go over the lines with a bold and sharp outline. Trace the bag, heart, and handle. Great job! Now comes the fun part, coloring. Let's bring our handbag to life. Are you ready? Pink color. Pink is perfect for our handbag. Fill in the bag with lovely pink strokes. Imagine it's made of soft velvet. Red color. The heart deserves some fiery red. Color it in with passion. Maybe it's filled with love notes. Cherry red color.
Wow!
Our pearl chain handle gets a cherry red hue. Imagine it's as sweet as cherries. And there you have it, our adorable handbag. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself. So keep creating, little artists. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. Until next time, happy drawing! Thanks for joining us on Toddlers Art Hub. Hello, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to create something fabulous, a high heel shoe. So grab your markers and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's outline our shoe. Draw a simple curved line for the sole. Remember, it's okay if it's not perfect, we're having fun. Time for the elegant heel. Draw a long, slender line extending from the back of the shoe. Make it as tall as you like. Our shoe is taking shape.
Wow!
Grab your black marker again. Trace over the shoe outline to make it bold and sharp. Don't forget the heel. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Let's choose some vibrant colors. Red color. cherry red color. Golden color.
Awesome!
And there you have it, a beautiful high heel. Remember, art is all about creativity, so feel free to add your own flair. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun art projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.